Welcome to our channel Infotime.
This flower is known as Dranculus, native to Mediterranean. It is also known as snake stink lily because it releases an aroma of a rotting meat when it blooms. With that smell, it attracts the flies to help its pollination. But its smell lasts for only one day. All part of the plant are poisonous if ingested, and touching the plant may result in skin irritation. This is Drosera and it is famous for feasting the insects. This is a small endangered plant that catches and digests its prey, mostly flies and worms. It is found in wetlands of North America. The plants are round lime green leaves and frigid with sprinkles, and colored has ends with a sparkle with the tiny drops of mucilage and a thick sugary glue produced by the plant to attract its prey. Once the bug settles on the glue, it will stuck on it and the leaf will wrap itself around the insect in a way similar to the octopus tentacle. This is Rafflesia. This is a giant puppy colored flower, and this is the largest flower in the world. Its petal alone reach up to 3 feet. And its weight is about 15 pounds. It grows only in rainforest of Southeast Asia. It is actually a root parasite, meaning that it has no stems or leaves and lives entirely within its host, which is usually the root of a larger tree. This flower has a long thread-like tissue instead of root, which will embed into the host. After a month of feeding off its host, the flower then blooms only for 5 days. When it does finally bloom, it releases a scent that rocks and rotting flesh in order to attract the flies that it needs to help with pollination. This is Dracea. It smells like a raw meat, but instead of aiming to attract the flies, this flower goal on the wasp. This purple color section of the flower is called insectual labellum that resembles a strange insect called thine wasp. This flower can only be pollinated by these wasps. It intentionally resembles like a female wasp, which will attracted by the male wasp. The confused male wasps will make a pollination, which is the success of this flower. This is Nepenthes, known as pitcher plant. This is a carnivorous plant which not only eats the bugs but actually eats the whole big animal. When a mouse walks on the top of the slippery leaves, it loses its balance and fell inside the deep pitcher plant's body, which is extremely hard to climb out of due to its sticky interior walls. The animal then drowns inside the pitcher plant and it dissolved and digested. This plant can grow more than 16 inches, that is 40 cm in height. This grows solely on the island of Mindland in Philippines and they are extremely rare. This is Titanorum. This is considered to be an infamous corpse flower because it blooms for only few days in a year. During its blossom time, it reeks a rotting flesh smell. That scent attracts the insects for pollination. This will last only for 3 days. This is considered to be one of the largest flower in the world, but still it is not a single flower, it is a cluster of flowers. It can grow up to 20 feet, that is 6 meters tall. This flower is found in many botanical gardens, including Brooklyn Botanical Gardens. In nature, it is grown in the tropical forest of Sumatra in Indonesia. This flower blooms for only 3 days in a year and smells typically only last about 8 hours. Within that period, the flies will be attracted and pollination process will be handled. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.